Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to start print on demand on Redbubble. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Redbubble, you can use our link in the description down below where you can get discount or rewards upon signing up. So yes, without any further ado, let's get started. So yes, Redbubble is an online marketplace that allows independent artists and designers to sell their work printed to sell their artwork printed on various products such as clothing, home decoration, accessories, etc., etc. And yeah, so it Redbubble serves as a print on demand or POD platform, meaning that artists like you can upload designs, and Redbubble handles the printing, packaging, and shipping once a customer places an order. So if you want, you can just go to the website right here, redbubble.com, and sign up for an account. So click this one, sign up. So after clicking sign up, you will need to choose whether you're signing up as a customer, buying t-shirt, or as a artist sign up. So since we are starting a print on demand, we're gonna choose this one, artist sign up. So we will set up shop and start selling our design. So you just need to input your email address, your preferred shop name, and the password. So yeah, you just need to input all of this information, and after clicking sign up, you will be redirected on the dashboard. And as you can see, there's a three steps that you need to do to set up your print on demand. You just need to create products, and after creating your products, you need to set up your shop and get paid. So when you create products, you can just click add designs or add new work. But yeah, you can add up to five designs based on the subscription of your account. So let's just click add design, and we'll be redirected to the design adding web page. And after you click on it, it says add a new work. So you can just either upload your own work, or you can copy an existing work, or you can copy a portfolio. So you can copy the same products and design placement from another design. So this is particularly great for color variants. So if you're creating a color variants on other designs, yeah, you can just use this. But if you want to upload your own design for print on demand, you can just click upload new work right here. So if you click upload new work, you just need to upload the files of your design, the picture, whether it's a PNG, a PDF file, a JPEG file of your design, and that's it. So for example, if you don't have any design, one of the best platform that you can use is Canva. So just go to Canva and search for example, t-shirt logo, and make sure that you also purchase a premium plan for your Canva account, so that you have an access to different types of templates just like this. So let's just say we use this one. So also make sure that if you use a templates on Canva for your print on demand, make sure that you change it slightly to make it unique to you only. Since if you directly just download the template from Canva, the Canva might sue you, and you can be sued into plagiarizing or copying another's work. So after using a template, so just customize it, make it unique, and just upload it. So for example, this one, I will not change it since it's just a tutorial. So let's just download it as a PNG. So after downloading, uh, I will go directly right here on the Redbubble and upload my design right here. So click upload new work, then go to the downloads, uh, add the design. So this one. So as you can see, it's done uploading, and you can see the preview of your design right here. You can replace it if you want, and you can also replace the background color, since yeah, it depends on you. So after that, you just need to choose the language. So it depends on your language, on what you want to give a title to your or you need to input all, you need to fill up all of this information first. So just choose your language first, and fill all of this information first. The title of your design, so you need to use a descriptive title that explain the design itself. So for example, keep it simple. Okay. Then for the tags, you can just, add tags that can help you, describe your content, and can help customers find your design easily. So you can write up to 15 tags, 50 character limit per tag. So you can just add like simple, just like that, and t-shirt, and design. Yes, just like that. You can also add a description. You can share the story or meaning behind your work. You can describe how it made, so the inspiration of this design. You can, input all of this information right here. So I'm just going to put a random description, but make sure that you make your description very good. And right here for the product reviews, you can show whether you show the design for standard print clothing, large print clothing, or if you want to, give you sell your design on hats too. You can enable this one right here. So enable it. So if you want to sell this on graphic T-shirt, enable it too. A-line dresses, stickers or magnets, phone cases, etc., etc. Yes, you can enable uh, any products that you want your design to be with. So for advanced product, you can also do it just like socks, backpacks, and double bags. And for media, select up to two, whether you can show photography of your design, and or the design illustration, drawing, digital art, or painting and mixed media. So yeah, it's up to you. And for the this one, default product in your shop, so optimize means Redbubble will show a mix of product based on sales and the individual customer interest. So it's recommended to stay it on optimize. And who can view this work, you can set it to anybody so that everyone can see your design and your print on demand design, and whether, and also you can set it on only you. So is this a mature content? So if there's a nudity or lingerie included in your design, make sure that you click no, or make sure that you click yes. So after that, you need to agree to the bubble user agreement first. So you need to, read all of this and agree to the user agreement. And after you're doing that, you just save your work. Click this one, yes. Save your work, and as you can see, it start processing. So after the process is complete, the design itself will be added to my dashboard, will be added to my store right here. So now you can share your work. So as you can see, this is how it would look like when people search in my store and find my product. So this is how it would look like. As you can see, it shows a bunch of pictures of my designs, and you can just they can just click on it. Or they can just share it on, or this is actually the media itself. So you can just share it on your website, on your social media. If you also sell your design on your social media, you can share them right here. And that's it. So now you can return on the dashboard to set up the shop. So after creating your product, your design, you need to add a profile picture. So make sure that you add first your profile picture. You need to edit your account, add a profile picture, add a cover image that based on your business. Add your first name, last name, shop name, email address, and also your bio. This is also important. Make sure that you describe your design style and storefront in 500 characters or less. And if you also for the copyright, make sure that you add your copyright name and copyright URL. And for offsite marketing, make sure that you enable to if you want to advertise your product in offsite marketing. And also if you hide it on pin it button and prevent pinning on my works, so that Pinterest cannot find your work. And also mature content, make sure that to click it and click save changes. And after editing your profile, you need to edit your payment details. So you need to uh, input your address, all of your address right here, and your phone number of, and payment currency. So if you want to be paid in Canadian dollars, United US dollars, pound, sterling, euros, Australian dollars, yeah, it's up to you. So there's two options. Option one, you can deposit. Customers can deposit into your verified PayPal account, or they can do ACH direct bank deposit. So it's up to you what type of option you're using. So if you choose option two, ACH direct bank deposit, you just need to input your routing number, bank account name, and the account type. So after that, also input your phone number and user agreement, and just click save changes. So after you're done with that, after you're done with editing your profile, that you just need to get paid too. So first, confirm your email, confirm your mobile number, and add your payment details, just like your bank account. And yes, that's it. So that's how you can start your print on demand business on Redbubble. And also, that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.